Hi everybody, my name is Wayla Gunn. I go by Belle. Today I'll be talking about my Do Something and Reported Home Energy Audit for BBE 2201. So I live at the Link apartment. It's located in Prospect Park near the U of M campus. I live in a two-bedroom, two-bathroom apartment, and I live alone. The other room is empty. My electricity provider is Xcel Energy, and my home is fully powered by wind source. Moving on, according to this pie chart, the state of Minnesota has about 17% capacity for wind source generation, and it is the third largest capacity compared to other types of energy. And also for net generation, it has been gradually increased since the year of 2000. And Minnesota is the seventh highest for wind energy generation in the US in 2018. As far as electricity consumption in the US, the average US household consumes 11,000 kilowatt hour per year. Electricity consumptions often vary due to factors like climate, population, home structure, etc. This graph that I have here looks at end-use consumption by the types of homes in the US. So as I live in a two-unit apartment, the majority of the consumption goes to space heating and water heating. Now, this chart shows different appliances and their percentage of electricity use. So air conditioning, space heating, and water heating took up majority of the electricity consumption, as you can see here. These are the appliances that I measured for my home audit. I have hair dryer, which I use every other day, smartphone charger, which I use every day, Google Home Mini, which is on for 24 hours, humidifier that I use when I go to bed, television, computer monitor, night light use also when I go to bed, and a lamp in my room. Moving on, the first table is my time log for a week of energy usage. I use my monitor mostly on weekdays. When I work from home or do some studying after class, I turn on my lamp only when outside gets dark, and during the day I like having my blinds up so I get full sunlight. I leave my humidifier and night light on every night. My Google Home Mini is on for 24 hours. As we go on to look at the second table here, I did my calculations on an Excel sheet. I get the watts for each appliances and multiply it by the average hours that I used per week. And as you can see here for television, there's no phantom power for television because I'm using a big monitor as my television in my living room, and I connect it with an Amazon Fire Stick, and I don't use cable. Lamp has the highest energy use among all my appliances, and also surprisingly, hair dryer has the highest watt compared to other appliances, but I only use it every other day. And also my computer monitor uses less energy than I would have expected. So, moving on, my last energy bill shows that I use 145 kilowatt hour last month. However, I'm expecting it to increase during winter. One of the biggest drawbacks for this audit is that I wasn't able to measure any larger appliances like refrigerator or microwave because those appliances are fixed behind a wall in my apartment unit, I do not have access to the power plug. So some of the future steps that I plan to take include getting a portable heater to cut down space heating and also unplug appliances that are not in use to avoid phantom power. These are my resources that I found to support my energy context, and thanks for watching.